And now I'm gonna prepare vanilla nice cream. Now this is a recipe taken directly out of my special guest, Dr. Joel Fuhrman's cookbook, the Eat to Live cookbook. So it's high in nutrients, it's gonna be quick and easy, and it's gonna be a great replacement for your ice cream. I'm gonna let you know, does this really taste like ice cream? We got just a couple ingredients right here. We're gonna throw them right in the blender. We'll start with walnuts. Walnuts, now just take a look at walnuts really quickly. They look a little bit like the right and the left side of your brain, and that's a great reminder that walnuts are great for your brain health. Throw those in the blender. Quarter cup of almond milk. Vanilla powder. 2 pitted medjool dates. A little bit of mint. And I'm gonna grab some frozen bananas. Got 2 frozen bananas here, one of my favorite ingredients. Now those are just gonna bind all the other ingredients together and give it that thick, rich, creamy ice cream flavor and texture that we're looking for. Now we just turn this on and we are already making some ice cream. Watch that blend, it's starting to thicken up. You can see the texture in there from the walnuts. Turn it up a little bit more. And we're done. Take this off. Let's take a look at this vanilla nice cream. Pour it in a bowl. Look at that nice, thick, creamy texture. That's exactly what we're looking for. That is those bananas thickening everything up. Oh man, let's see if this really tastes like the real deal. Dr. Joel Fuhrman's Eat to Live vanilla ice cream recipe. Wow. That hint of vanilla, the creaminess from that banana, I'd say that this is the real deal. This is a great way for you to replace ice cream, replace all that extra sugar and dairy that might make you feel not quite at your best, and have a little banana and some vanilla nice cream. Coming up next, Dr. Joel Fuhrman joins me in my kitchen. For this vegan breakfast recipe, I'm gonna show you how to make a 5-minute acai bowl. We're gonna throw all these ingredients in the blender. I'm gonna add a nutritional boost from Bob's Red Mill, and in just a couple minutes, we're gonna have a great way for you to start your day. Grab the blender, we're gonna start with 1 cup of frozen mangoes, 1 cup of almond milk. Now I love using almond milk as a replacement to regular milk because it's one of the highest protein milks. We're gonna add 8 ounces of acai puree, a tablespoon of maple syrup, one of my favorite ingredients, banana. This is gonna bind all those ingredients together and give it that nice texture that we're looking for. And then lastly, right here, we got our nutritional boost. This is high in protein, 20 grams of protein from Bob's Red Mill, and it also has a chai flavor. It's made from pea protein. And a question I often get asked as I am preparing these vegan dishes is, where do vegans get their protein? And this is a great answer to that question. Pea protein, tofu is high in protein, spinach is high in protein. There are a lot of different sources for you to get your protein if you are eating more plant-based meal. All right, throw this in the blender, and in just a couple of minutes, we're gonna be enjoying this. All right. I just want you to kind of take a look. Look at that purple texture right there. That is all those healthy antioxidants from the acai. Give it a little bit more of a blend. Two minutes later, this is the exact texture that we're looking for. We have our acai mixture right here. Now, look at that beautiful purple color. That is all those healthy antioxidants that are gonna be so great for your digestive health and everything in your body. There you go. Top it off with some apple cinnamon granola. A little bit of peanut butter, one of my favorite ingredients, okay. And then lastly, some coconut flakes. Just have fun with it. You can kind of throw it all over the place. Sometimes we like to design these to make them look all pretty, but when you're adding the granola, the peanut butter, the purple color, you can't really go wrong. This is a beautiful breakfast right here. Now, why don't you just take a look at that. An acai bowl, a great way to start the day. Amazing. I could have that every single morning for breakfast. And next up, I'm gonna have one of my great friends, Devin, come and join me in the kitchen and show me how to make a tofu scramble.